Thanks for coming out for the first ever Verizon World's Creator Academy.
It is incredible being around all these phenomenal creators from all over, seeing people that you've known for so long but never met them in person.
I think I've made like 20 to 30 new connections, but also really good friends now that I'm going to be staying in touch with way after this bootcamp.
It's really great to be able to connect with different types of creators that I don't normally get to maybe interact with on a daily basis.
This is genuinely the best experience I've ever had in my life. I've never been happier at any time coming to a city like this, meeting so many wonderful, creative, talented, uniquely amazing creators. It's been a life-changing experience.
Nothing has pushed me to grow as a person more than this platform has. It's just wonderful to think about how far I've come and how much of an opportunity this has been.